Hey guys, so last night Audrey and I hit up the Target dollar spot and we got a few fun things for homeschool preschool stuff this year. So we want to show you what we got in case you want to go pick up some things if you are doing homeschool preschool. Okay, so the first thing we got, this is actually for Audrey. We're learning Spanish. So we got her an early Spanish workbook. These were $1 each, I believe. And then for my preschoolers and kindergartners, it's okay, I'll get it. We got an alphabet workbook and a same or different workbook. They had several different workbooks. Okay, so this is for the preschoolers and my kindergartner. This is a 3-letter word building board. And I
might just play.
You're gonna play with it? I thought that would be great for learning how to spell. Yeah, we went to Chick-fil-A yesterday too, and they got a little garden shovel. So here's a little felt book. I love their felt books. I think this was $3. This is a starting the day felt book. It's okay. I'll look at it in just a minute. Everybody's getting excited. We'll open it when I'm done with the video.
And we got these puppets for me.
Yeah, we got felt finger puppets. So these are fairy tale ones. And we got these as well, the 3 little pigs and 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed.
And we got this for me.
Yeah, we got Audrey a bookmark with a timer. Ava is excited about the alphabet puzzle cards. I usually get these every year. This one was $1. Here you go, Ava. You gonna sit down with that?
And then we have this little game.
Yeah, we got a felt memory game.
Can I open this?
This one was $3. You can open it in just a minute, okay?
And then these.
Number matching, this was $1. And then colors, the color learning wheel. It is in English and Spanish. Oh, and it has shapes too. So that was $1. Just a minute, okay? And lastly, I picked up this tray for our homeschool room. This was $3. Audrey, could you open that for her, please? And then I got some note cards. So that was our little mini haul from the Target dollar spot. We're just adding a few things to our homeschool preschool. If you like this, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more homeschooling and homemaking videos.
Hello, we're thumbs up.
And we'll talk to y'all later. Bye.